Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious soufflé dessert. We'll start by understanding the fundamental components that give a soufflé its unique character. You'll need fresh eggs, granulated sugar, and your preferred flavoring, whether it's chocolate, vanilla, or fruit. Remember, precision in measuring each ingredient is absolutely essential for achieving that signature airy, cloud-like texture we all love. Next, we'll focus on crafting the heart of your soufflé, the flavor base. For a sweet dessert, this is typically a rich crème pâtissière. You'll gently heat milk with sugar and egg yolks, stirring constantly until it thickens into a smooth, lump-free custard. This base carries all the delicious flavor, so make sure it's perfectly smooth and then allow it to cool completely before moving on to the next step. Now comes the magic, whipping those egg whites. You'll want to whip them with a tiny pinch of cream of tartar until they form beautiful, stiff peaks. This creates the volume. Then, the delicate art of folding begins. Gently fold about 1/3 of the whipped whites into your cooled base to lighten it, then carefully incorporate the rest, ensuring you preserve every bit of that precious air for an incredible rise. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Carefully transfer your soufflé mixture into prepared ramekins and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. Watch as it majestically rises, turning a beautiful golden brown. The moment it comes out, serve it immediately to savor its incredible height and delicate, airy texture before it begins to gently deflate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.